ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha ka khanyo trik ubnai kala lingkot arajar arpuar kala bu teng ban shim rai ha ka bayadei bat kajing penjalan Jakarta jong kinong wat kam da sansnem. Menteri Katanar ki kampo yang kesorkar jela uba lak ben rumbui ha kajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor ulaong ba kajing bu teng ban shim rai ha lor gani kamat kadai namar bakidon katto katni ki benta ki bakakinhon menteri kandang hab ban ya theria tai sanibha haswaban ay kajing munjur halor kajing penjalan Jakarta wat kam jong kinong wat kam. Katkum kajing atho jong ni menteri kajing terwa ban penjalan Jakarta thungkam kalong na kalai pu arsnem sha kalai pu hunyo snem.
In addition to this item agenda which the cabinet has approved, the government also has deliberated upon the extending of the age limit for entry into the government service, where there is a proposal that will increase from 37 to 32 plus 5, 37. But this could not be have been deferred because there is a deliberation about this armed force. Because as we know, a uniformed personnel for police, for excise, and for civil defense and home guard, and also for the entry into the forest guard of the forest department. Because in this uniformed personnel, the training is needed and more of a physical thing is needed. So that's why, because there is a debate on that issue, so we defer it, but the government, the cabinet will take a final decision in these coming days.